back to my channel. My name is Naomi Rook. If you are brand new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to ring that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I do upload a video. Today what I wanted to do is my October BOXYCHARM unboxing. I was super excited to get this in the mail. It came just a few days late. Do a unboxing with you guys. I am wearing everything that came in this box on my face today. I wanted to try it out before I did my unboxing just so I can kind of tell you my first initial thoughts on the product. So if you'd like to know what I got in my box and what I think about it, just keep watching. So the first product that I received in my box is this Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. This retails for $38. It is a blend of mattes and shimmers, very cool tone, a few mauve colors, a few grayish, and these really beautiful metallic colors. I am wearing almost every single color in this palette on my eyes. I have, let's see, I have this color, that color, both of those colors. I have all of the colors but these two on my eyes. I did just want to try as many colors as possible to let you know my thoughts. These metallics are super beautiful. Very dry metallics. They're not super chunky. They're not super glittery. They are just very reflective. The mattes right here are just gorgeous. They blend really well. I have those in my crease. I have a little bit of this on my outer corner. The only color that I was disappointed in this palette was this color. It is kind of like a matte with glitter in it. It wasn't super pigmented. It wasn't very blendable. It did kind of just blend away. But other than that, these metallics are very beautiful. It is kind of a more boring palette. I was hoping there was another palette that was going around in variations that was from Ciate. I was actually hoping to get that palette instead of this palette, but this is definitely a wearable palette. I will wear this and get some use out of it, but it's not the most exciting color story that I've ever seen. I did want to go ahead and swatch some of the eyeshadows from the palette. So here are some of the metallics. They're super beautiful. They are kind of more of a dry formula. They're not super chunky. They don't have tons of fallout. I didn't have any fallout on my under eyes when I was done doing my eyeshadow, so those are really pretty. And I will swatch some of the mattes that are actually really pretty good. Swatches are not always the best, but I did really enjoy this palette. I thought it worked really well. It's not the most exciting color story for me, so it's probably what I'm least excited for in this box, but I will definitely be using it. I did get a really beautiful eyeshadow look today. So the next product were Luxie brushes. This is the Wonderlust set. This is a 5 eyeshadow brush set. I did use these today, and I like it because I did get this entire eyeshadow look using just these 5 brushes. It came with a bigger blending brush, a smaller blending brush, a kind of a fat packer brush, and then an angled packer brush that I got really in the inner corner to get that metallic down. So I really liked these a lot. It does come with one spoolie brush, which is kind of a wasted brush. I do wish it came with more of like a flat eyeshadow brush, but these are really nice. I love Luxie brushes. They're really good quality. They last a really long time, and I will never have too many. I absolutely love receiving brushes in my BOXYCHARM boxes because I could never have too many. Brush set comes with this cute little pouch that I really like. It's really nice quality, and this retails for $40. So that is twice the price of the box already. The boxes retail for just $25. And these were $40 in themselves. The next product was the most exciting. It was my choice for my October box. It is the Dosage Colors. This is Meteor Hue Full Coverage Concealer. I was so excited about this. I got to choose the color. I got in 08 Light, which is a perfect color for me. It is a very light, neutral based concealer. I used this today and yesterday. I really do love it. It is a more full coverage concealer, but it doesn't look heavy under my eyes. I don't have to set it as much. I just put a tiny bit of powder on it. I'm really excited to continue using this concealer. I like it so far. It does retail for $24, and I love that I received this in a box because this is a concealer that I've wanted to try for a really long time. And I have had it in my cart to purchase multiple times, so it's really cool that I got this in my box. Next product is super exciting. It is the Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuaçu Lip Butter. This is such an exciting product for me. I've really wanted to get more into tinted lip balms because during the winter I do have super dry lips. I believe this is in the color Soulmate, if I'm right. It is what I am wearing today. It's more of a warm nude. It comes in a really cool package. The top is white, the bottom is like a rose gold, and then you just take the lid off and roll it up. I will kind of give you a swatch. It is what I'm wearing today. It has really light pigment, but it is super hydrating. I really do enjoy the feel of it on my lips. The scent of it is supposed to be a dulce de leche type scent. I'm not completely wild about the scent. I normally do like sweet scents, but this has more of a almost like a stale type sweet scent, but I do really like the feel of it. I like the pigment of it, and it does last a long time on my lips. The last product that came in my box is this Ace Beauty. This is Draw It Lip Liner. It is a duo lip liner set. I do have one of the lip liners on today. So it comes with a really nice nude lip liner and then a really beautiful red. I will swatch the red. And these lip liners are super, super creamy. They glide on so nicely. The nude is a beautiful, warm nude color. I have it on today along with that tinted lip butter. And I really like the combination a lot. This red is really pretty. I don't wear red lips all that often, but I am glad to have a red lip liner. And this duo retails for $16. I really am excited to be able to use these. I really like the formula, which is really nice. I've gotten lip liners in my BOXYCHARM before, and I didn't love the formula, but these Ace Beauty ones are super creamy. They blend really nicely, and then they last a really long time on my lips, so I'm really glad I got these. The retail value of this box is $138. It's not the highest value of box that we've received before. I'm really excited about this box. I think the only thing that I am not super, super excited about is probably the eyeshadow palette, just because they're more neutral everyday colors, which I do have a lot of those in my collection. But really, it's a nice formula. I've never been able to try the Beauty Bakery, so I'm really excited about that. I am wearing everything today, which I really love how everything kind of turned out. And I hope you enjoyed this video of my October BOXYCHARM unboxing, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye, guys!